Hello and welcome to GoProfit. In today's guide, we'll explore the product performance feature and show you exactly how it works inside the app. You can quickly access it right from the sidebar menu. Let's jump right in. The product performance section helps you analyze how your products are performing across views, conversions, sales, and profit. At the top, you can select the reporting period and compare it with the previous period to quickly understand performance changes over time. You can also export the data at any time using the Export Data button. The Overview section highlights key product-level summaries including top viewed product, top added to cart product, top sold product. This gives you a quick snapshot of which products attract the most attention and conversions. Below, the Product KPIs section shows key performance metrics such as product page visits, added to cart, units sold, conversion rate, net profit. Each KPI includes a comparison indicator to help you evaluate performance trends. The Smart Insights section provides actionable insights and recommendations to help you improve your margins. Simply click Generate Insight to receive data-driven suggestions based on your product performance. Next, the Top 10 Products section allows you to identify your best-performing products ranked by gross sales, profit, returns. You can easily switch between these views to analyze products from different performance perspectives. At the bottom, the Product Insights section highlights potential issues and opportunities, including products with high views but low conversion rates, products frequently added to cart but with low conversion, products with high return rates. These insights help you quickly identify products that may need optimization. That wraps up this tutorial. We hope it helps you make the most out of GoProfit. For any questions, our support team is available 24/7 via live chat, or you can simply leave your comments below. Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next video.